Judith's birthday, happy birthday to ya. Woo!
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Das ist ein großes Stern. Zum Essen.
Like Brittany.
Enjoy bye. Ich frage mich die ganze Zeit, ist das Bild von meiner Kamera blurry oder sind meine Augen blurry? Good morning. Today is my 30th birthday, and since we're in lockdown and I was thinking about, how can I make this day kind of fun, I thought that maybe I should just use the opportunity to vlog it, because I thought, this might be a day that I want to look back on someday. So yeah, I thought it would be a fun idea to just do a daily vlog for today. I do have a couple of things planned, but nothing too crazy, and I have a huge stack of little parcels that I got from my family and friends. So yeah, I will open my presents throughout the day, and it seems like we have lots of cake that I'm excited to share with you, and then I also am planning to do a little Zoom call with my closest friends and family and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope this is gonna be a fun day. Right now I'm still in my bathrobe because that's what I'm most comfortable in, but also later I will show you my real birthday outfit, and I just hope that you're in for the ride and you enjoy this little vlog. And so yeah, I will just show you what I get up to today.
Washington Square Street 10 in New York. Okay. Wow. Man kommer så från hyllan. Vamos a One. It's one. Oh wow. Oh, chào. À, à. Oh.
So. Ich glaube, es ist echt schwer einzuschätzen, wie groß man den schneidet. Ich mache uns mal Riesenstücken.
Das ist ein Stück.
So it is already the afternoon. We had a really nice winter walk in the noontime, and then we took a shower to warm up again because it got really cold here. And then we also had some lunch, watched some Prince of Bel-Air, and also started on the birthday cake, which was amazing. And now I got ready for my Zoom call, and I'm very excited to see all of my friends and family on Zoom. And I think it's gonna be really fun. I also have tons of presents to unbox, and so yeah, we'll see how that goes. So now that I'm ready for the call, I am reading a little bit more of my current book, Archive of the Forgotten. I am almost finished with it, and it's really, really good. And yeah, so I hope maybe I can finish this today, but if I don't, I will finish it tomorrow. But it's so good. I love this book so much. So it is now 10 at night, and we have finished our Zoom call. It was so much fun. Actually, what my partner did was he booked an online escape room. So we had to do like all of these investigations, and it was like really well done. You had to find certain Facebook accounts and Instagram accounts, and then there were like videos involved and some audio files and stuff like that, and it was all clues, and it took us 2 hours to find out who the murderer was, and according to the website, that meant we were really bad at it, but we still had a ton of fun, and it was just a really cool idea. But now I'm also like really mentally drained. Like, yeah, but I was so excited. I got so many amazing gifts, and I probably do a video on it because there's also a ton of books that I'm like super excited about and stuff like that. So yeah, it was just really, really cool, and yeah, I had a ton of fun. We also had some sushi because it's my favorite, and yeah, then I talked with like my friends from school, which I haven't seen in like a really, really long time, and yeah, it was just a lot of fun. And I think if I had had like a normal birthday, it wouldn't have been that special, I guess. So maybe it would have been. Maybe my partner would have had like crazy ideas for like a normal birthday party as well, but I felt like, yeah, this is definitely a birthday I'm gonna remember, and it was just lots of fun. And now I'm super, super tired, and the cat is also super tired, and she is trying to get us to go to bed. So I think I will end this vlog here. I don't know if it will be interesting, but it was fun to just, you know, capture a couple of moments so I can look back on them. So if you like this vlog, then leave a like or a nice comment. I always appreciate those. And if you subscribe, I will talk to you soon. Bye!